All right, so we're back with another video. So we're gonna try the Kit Kat Gold. This is the Kit Kat Gold. We went to the Asian market a couple weeks ago. So this one is the Kit Kat Gold. I say Asian, Japanese, I don't know, but they're international Kit Kats. This is the bag. This is what they came in. So we have the gold. So it's like salted caramel and chocolate. And this is the package. The packaging is really nice. All right, welcome back. So we also got the Kit Kat strawberry. The Kit Kat strawberry. This is the strawberry one. They come 10 in the pack. These are Asian, international Kit Kat. We went to the Asian market here in town. This is what the strawberry one looks like. This is what the strawberry one looks like. So this is the two packages that we got. Strawberry and we have the gold. All right, so let's get into it. So this is the strawberry Kit Kat. And this is the gold. We're going to be reviewing and tasting both of them. Y'all know the mister is always here. He's finishing up his cheesesteak. How was it?
Not bad.
We're going to go to Philly to try Philly cheesesteaks. We're going to fly just to go to Philly. So this is what the packaging looks like. The inside. This is the gold Kit Kat. We're going to taste it and see. This is a gold Kit Kat. Okay. Salty, but sweet. I would give this one like a 8. This one's good. This is a gold one. The gold Kit Kat. All right. The last one we're going to try is the strawberry. This is the strawberry Kit Kat we picked up. And mind you, they've been in the fridge, so they're a little hard. So this one is the strawberry. Oops. Cheers, guys. It gives me like a chalky, like strawberry taste.
You can really taste the strawberry in this. Like really, the other one was okay, but this one is, you can really taste the strawberry.
And it has like a little lemony taste. So a scale of 1 to 10. This is what we tried. Strawberry and gold. I'm going to go with the gold Kit Kat, but
I love the strawberry one.
You like the strawberry one?
Yeah, I love the strawberry one.
Scale of 1 to 10.
I'll give it about a 7.
A 7? I didn't like the strawberry, but you guys should try it and see yourself. Have a great night.